Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we continue the series on what to do when you got that first new PC with Windows 11, well, the other thing that you could do is check what is actually starting up with your operating system. In Windows 11, all you have to do is right-click on the Start button and then go into the Task Manager. On the top, if you see it like this, first of all, that means you need to click More Details. Then at the top, you will see Startup. Here, you will see everything that actually starts with your PC. What you want to have here is the maximum amount of things disabled. So disable what you know is safe to disable, and just keep enabled what you really want has officially enabled for each of the software that is in here. Now, you might not know which ones to keep, which ones not to keep. What you could do when you're not sure is simply disable one, restart your PC, and see if anything different is happening. If everything seems fine, you're all right. If you do disable multiple software at the same time and you're not sure, one thing that's important to note is to know which ones so that you can start them again. One thing for sure is that you can't break a startup with disabling everything, but it's not everything you want to disable. So for example, if you see something that has to do with security, like here, the security health system tray, you want to have it there because you want to see your Windows security app and so on. But there are things that you don't need that to start up. And what happens is it's going to increase or make your startup speed much faster. So you're going to wait less. But also what is interesting is it's going to probably make your PC run even faster because it doesn't have to deal with all the software that's running in the background. And it will also make it more stable because the less you have software running at the background at the same time, the more stable a computer will be. So you want to have the minimum amount of all of that. So disabling the startup items is probably a good idea. That's going to help you have a faster PC. And that's one of the things you should do when you have a new computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.